Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today we'll be going through a brand new feature just released today, progress invoicing. Now this has been a heavily requested feature, super excited to see it in action. It's available on our QuickBooks Online Plus subscriptions. So let's go ahead and show you how to turn it on. You want to click the gear icon and then jump to our accounts and settings. From here, you want to click the sales option. You see there's a new option for progress invoicing. If we click on that, we have the ability to tick the box, hit save and hit done. Now naturally, if you ever wanted to turn this feature off again, go back in your settings, uncheck the box and progress invoicing would be turned off. Time to see this in action. So we want to click on sales and here we go. We want to do a quick filter, so let's just click on the quotes and create a nice quick filter for our quotes. Today we'll be focusing on Clement's Cleaners. So let's show you a couple ways you can actually utilize this feature. If we click on that, it'll open up the quote for us, and then we click on the create invoice button. You see a new pop-up appears and says, hey, do you want to invoice for the total amount of the quote, a partial amount of the quote, or a custom amount of your choice? And as I mentioned, there's a couple ways to do this. It's not restricted to just this button. We can do this from the action column. You see the pop-up appears, and even if you click the plus symbol and go to invoice and choose Clements, we'll just go add here, you see the pop-up appears here. And so for today's example, I'm going to go 50% and go copy to invoice. And there you go, you see it's brought across the due amount of 50% of the total amount. In this example, I'm going to show you a couple little extra things you can do. Let's just say in the example of catering, you want to do a flat amount rather than a percentage amount because food and beverage is involved. You can click the drop down and select amount as well. And then you can say, hey, I don't want to do 50% of the amount. I actually need 1,500 of that for my first invoice. So you see there it's done a nice adjustment for you. It's worked out what the quantity is on that amount. And there you go. So from here, obviously you can go save and send it to your customer. This is just an example, so I'm going to go to save and close. And there you go. That's the feature in action. If you're after a little bit more information, we have a blog available. I will provide a link to that in the description down below. As always, if you have any comments or feedback, please feel free to leave some comments. And I'll see you again for next time in our next quick update. Have a great day, guys. Bye.